Hey guys, today we'll look into one problem statement from Qlik community and the solution for it. So the problem statement is how to link a button on one page to a specific tab in container on another page. Okay, so linking a button, click of a button, going to a specific sheet is not a problem. But here they are requesting for a specific tab in my container. Okay, so that's the challenge, right? So containers can have many tabs. We can show or hide the tabs, but we cannot decide, or we don't have an action to set up in a button. I cannot click a button and say okay, enable this tab or go to this tab, right? So we don't have control over the tabs and containers. Okay, so let's see how to do that. Let me create a container first. I'll add few charts. Okay, so I have four charts in my container. Okay, so now button action, there is no specific button action to enable a particular tab in a container. We can show or hide this container with the help of this feature. So every container has got this show or hide condition, but we cannot specify a particular tab. Okay, so what we can do is, let's say I want to navigate to this particular tab. In this container has got four tabs. If I want to navigate to this particular tab, I can right click on this, share, copy link, copy. Okay, so now I copied a link specific to this particular tab in this object. Okay, now let me select this tab. Okay, let me select some other tab, fourth tab. Now when I on click of a button, it should automatically take me to this sheet, and this tab should be enabled, the second tab. Okay, so let me go to next sheet. Let me create a button. Mm, Let me set a navigation here. I'll go with open a website or email, and here I will paste the URL. Okay, and I'll check this so that it opens in the same window. It doesn't open a new tab in the browser. Okay, now let me quickly go back to the previous sheet to just to confirm. Okay, it is still in this fourth tab, but on click of a button, it should actually take me to the second tab. Okay, let me click on that. So it takes me to the new sheet. Okay, so it has activated the second tab, right? So this is how we can specify or activate a particular tab in a container. Hope we learned something new today. Thanks for watching.